Hi, Jace. Hey, sweet boy. Aw, can you say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? Say, oh, we miss you so much. And we love you so much. Yeah. Yeah. So we've been having a good day. It's been so nice out. Yeah. Oh, it's exhausting. Yeah? Yeah? Are you going to tell them about your day? I say, oh, we can't wait to see you again. Oh, God bless you. Oh, God bless you. Oh, God bless you. Yeah. Yeah. So we're so looking forward to seeing you guys. We miss you so much and we love you. We'll talk to you soon. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Grandma and Grandpa.